Yep, guys, sanibonani. Today's nama game we-PSL. As you know, dlali Orlando Pirates and Marumo Gallants. If Orlando Pirates doesn't win this game, bafethu, it's going to be easy for Kaizer Chiefs and Sundowns to take advantage of this thing, bafethu. And we have Orbit United. We have Vusaleng lapha ku-Orbit United playing against Isuwelele. If uyi-Panther, I would suggest ukuthi udlale both team to score or draw under 2.5. So Mamelodi Sundowns namaZulu. I think Sundowns izowina 3-0 lana. 2 goal first half, 1 second half. Yeah. And I don't think Pirates izowina kule match. I don't think Pirates izowina because izofuna ukubeka abadlali for igame yaSaturday. If uyi-Panther, I would go for a straight lose Pirates or draw. Straight draw nje. Udlala i-draw imatch ye-Orbit ne-Pirates bese unika i-Sundowns 3 goals namhlanje. Ufake i-R100.